My name is Dr. Joseph Claiborne III. I'm an internal medicine doctor. I decided to focus on hair transplants to patients because I wanted to empathize with them on their hair restoration journey. As an internal medicine doctor, working with Dr. Ekpo and Dr. Elizabeth, I have the opportunity to make the follicles and the hair restoration procedure grow even more. A lot of people don't know that hair loss is a function of internal things that are also maybe going awry, such as their diabetes or their high blood pressure or their thyroid disease or their vitamin D. And as an internist, I have the opportunity to make those things and correct those things rather, and to allow their hair to grow even more. What I desire for patients to get out of our service is more confidence, to know that a void was filled, and to share in the passion that we have to restore hair and restore confidence, and to use that passion and confidence that they've gained to live their best life.